morning, guys. I am gonna be doing a little weekend in my life. Hope you enjoy. I slept in until 10 a.m. this morning. It was amazing. It was life-changing. It was incredible. So let's see what I get into this weekend. Breakfast of champions. We got these donuts the other day. So you guys just saw me do some chores. I'm going to be doing some more chores. That's normally what I do on Saturday mornings, is just kind of like get the house together. It's not too messy. There's just like a few things. But I think I'm going to throw some Grey's Anatomy on because that's been my most recent comfort show. I'm literally on season 8 already, or like 9, and they're 45-minute episodes, so I'm committed. Okay, yeah, season 9, episode 10, so we're in it.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go,
it is about noon now, still haven't washed my face, and I've just been like cleaning, just had that yummy breakfast. I think I'm going to do a little workout or yoga, haven't really decided, here soon, but yeah, just kind of having a lazy Saturday. I think later I'm gonna make some spring rolls, which I'm very excited about. Actually I need to soak the rice noodles for that. So I've been really into Stardew Valley lately. This is my farm. It's not perfect or anything, but I have cows. They can't be milked yet. And my dog, who loves me. My chickens hate me for some reason. Oh my gosh, I just realized the fence is so messed up. Look, oh my gosh. They actually love me today. What the heck? They usually hate me, not sure why they love me today. But yeah, this is my farm. I'm growing some fall crops right now. And kind of looks like shit, honestly, but it works. This is my home. Welcome. My humble abode. Oh no, I don't want to go to sleep yet, no. I'm still here, just working on my farm, yeah.
Take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say anything that we want.
Now
it's
I'm
okay,
gonna do a workout after much deliberation. Hey guys, coming to you live from my closet. I was planning on filming a lot more than I did today. Probably just gonna turn this into a weekend vlog. Really didn't do a lot today, so I didn't film a lot today, and that's just the reality of life sometimes. I am gonna make some dinner, but I went in that cave and it was honestly so magical and fun. Someone built this snow cave and I'm gonna go inside of it. I am 4 years old. Gotta enjoy the little things sometimes. I would have stayed longer if it wasn't so late. I would have just hung out in there. Noodles are soaked and ready to go. Little flaccid noodles.
Set me in the corner.
darling Geppetto, I'm wishing on a star too. Go legs and start talking, walking right beside you, cut off the strings and put me down. Tell me what I'm missing. Oh, I never listen to the crickets on my shoulder.
Going to Starbucks. Woo! I did not wear the right shoes. Got the goods. The sandwich is really underrated. I'm about to pay rent, and I'm not happy about it. Okay, so I love how I've literally done pretty much nothing in this entire video. I'm just trying my best here. Sometimes that means not washing my hair or doing my makeup and just sitting here in my little corner on the couch. Today I think Brian and I are gonna go to Target, so that's something. We are gonna do a thing today. So I actually kind of got ready. Okay, changed into this little blue number. I don't even know why I'm showing you guys my outfit because it's literally the most boring outfit. I'm actually turning on some real Karen energy and adding this vest. I feel safe in this vest. It is like wearing a blanket. Dropped my phone and I'm very angry about it because it cracked, and it cracked like underneath the protector. So yeah, just I'm very mad about this. Okay, that was kind of a roller coaster, and I didn't get a lot of clips from that little excursion, but I did buy a few things to numb the pain. It's literally not exciting things at all. Got some razors. Also got some more shaving cream, got the double pack so that I am prepared. And I got my body wash, figured that it would probably be good to have a backup. I've been wanting a new perfume for a long time now. I finally decided on this one. It's the Gucci Bloom. I'm very excited to get this. Let me open it up. I've never bought this perfume before, but I smelled it in the store and it smelled really delicious. It was actually kind of stressful perfume shopping. This is it. Kind of flowery, but yeah, it's like 2 o'clock right now. Gonna make some food. Just snacking on some Stacy's pita chips and some tzatziki sauce. I've never tried this match before, but it is very yummy. So just got out of the shower, as you can tell from my lactating shirt right here. I tried out my new perfume and it smells so good. It's like a very summery scent. I love how this whole video I haven't worn like any makeup. I was wearing a little bit earlier, but pretty much the whole video I have not worn anything, so this is my face. I realize this vlog is gonna be completely all over the place too. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna title this, but I'm kind of getting back into filming after taking about a 3-week break. I'll probably like end the vlog here. I think Brian and I, we want to do like an acrylic painting night. So yeah, we did that acrylic night. It was super fun. We also made some dinner. That was pretty much my weekend. It was very chill, very relaxing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.